Cooper?
Cooper's in here!
No, he's not.
He's in there!
What? When did he get in
I
there?
don't know. Cooper! He's literally taking everything out of that drawer.
Cute.
Hey guys, it's Lily Kate Freddy, and I'm here with
Anna.
and today we're doing kind of a fun video. I'm going to be swapping makeup routines with her. And this is my going to work routine, and this is her going to school routine. As you guys all know, I'm more of the makeup person. Anna's really good at special effects makeup, but not as much. She doesn't do as much daily makeup as I do. So my daily routine has quite a few more steps than hers does. So we're just going to get into this. She is definitely a different foundation color than I am, different eyebrow color, everything. So we're just going to see how this works, and it's going to be kind of fun to see the final result. And today we're going to be just using our own beauty blenders. Otherwise, yeah, yours is gross. Mine's brand new. Otherwise, I'm using all her brushes, which I'm a little scared of. Okay, Anna, so what's your first step?
Moisturizer.
And you want to know what my first step is? No primer, no moisturizer, just foundation.
How much of this should I do?
I just put a fingertip, and I just do it like here, nose, chin, forehead, where I get dry. Which you should get one of those because those are good. She has the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, which number one, it's dewy, which is not really for me, but I'm going to try it. And then she has the Avon True Color, and this is in the shade, does it even have a shade on it anymore? Natural Beige, and I'm obviously not natural beige. I'm usually fair or porcelain, ivory. Those are usually my colors, so this is kind of fun to see. Medium buff. Who am I? Medium buff.
The moisturizer that she uses is the Garnier Skin Active.
Yeah, and it's a gel moisturizer, so it's good for oily to combo skin types, and Anna is definitely combo. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand and mix it with the Avon.
That's too much.
Girl, you didn't tell me how much I can use.
Okay.
I use a lot of foundation.
Okay, now I'm using the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Primer.
That's just like a pore filler.
How much?
I just use a little bit, and I put it on my pore areas. Oh, I already hate this because I don't have a primer down. It's going to stain my beauty blender really bad. Usually mine I can wash out so easy because it's so light.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, and what I've noticed is with more medium colored foundations, they seem a lot thicker. Like my fair colored ones, even with a full coverage formula, they always seem a lot thinner than yours. And I don't know why that is. Oh my freaking god. I look green.
Okay, now I'm gonna do foundation. She uses the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 105 Fair Ivory. So it's gonna...
You're gonna be white, I'm gonna be yellow.
Donald Trump. Who?
If he's looking for a younger wife, I'm me.
Lily.
Oh my god, Anna, I can't make this work. I'm just gonna be brown. I thought maybe I could blend it enough down my neck that I'd look.
Do I have to do like my whole face with this one?
Yeah, girl.
I'm assuming. Because I usually don't do my whole face. Oh my god. So Lily, how's life?
Life has treated me well. I am the color of yellow stuff white. Like those golden, like, yellow. I look like I support a sports team that is colored like gold, and now I'm painting my face all gold for them. So there's that. Girl, I can't make this work. I literally look like an Oompa Loompa. Look at me.
Yeah, you do.
Honestly, though, this formula, like, these two mixed together is kind of nice.
Oh, alright.
I might have to try out the Dewy Smooth. Look at my
horrible.
hand. Oh my god, Anna. Okay, I think we go in with the same concealer.
Yep.
Anna has here the Maybelline Fit Me number 15 and number 10. And what's funny is I use number 15, which is actually lighter than 10.
Yeah.
I don't know why that is. I think it's because 10 is more a yellow tone. It's not necessarily lighter.
I use 10 for, like, spot conceal. Okay.
Did it go away?
Baking. I don't bake because I feel like it makes my skin feel disgusting. But I guess that's what I'm gonna do today. So,
I need to lighten up this face
So-
just a bit.
what do? Do you use your beauty blender?
Yep.
Put it under your eyes. Where?
I bake under my eyes, on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, a little on my chin, on my smile lines. And now you let that marinate for quite a bit. While I keep trying to blend out this
So,
orange and eye.
Now I do my eyebrows.
I would maybe put my eye primer down now, just so it has time to dry.
I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion.
And I got this for Anna last Christmas, and she doesn't really use her.
I do, and I'm like actually doing makeup because it's expensive. Oh, eyebrows. The BH Studio Pro BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette.
I just broke your spoolie.
It always just shove it back in.
I use like this color to outline it, and then I use this one and that one to fill them in.
Okay.
What do I do next? Powder? You know, girl, I tried this CoverGirl matte, clean matte, powder, and their lightest color is too dark for me, so I can't use it. So now I'm pumped about this, because you know what, I can use it. Do you use this, Puff?
No.
What do you
I
use?
use my
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, honey. Honey. And this is in buff beige, which is maybe more my color. Just kidding, it's very yellow. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in Mocha, which is literally for our darker skin girls out there. But honey, this ain't me. In no world is this my contour color. In no world is this any color for me. This is too dark for a transition color on my eyes. And then she also doesn't use eyeshadow, so I'm using this as an eyeshadow.
Slow down, honey. My routine is a lot shorter than yours.
Well, yeah. Girl, my brows will take 3 hours. Don't you worry.
Okay, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm gonna use in light. And I'm going to use the middle contour shade.
You look
like my hair.
You look like a vampire. I'm going in with the e.l.f. brow kit, and this is in the shade medium, and I used to use this every day. Okay, I have a brush hair in my nose.
What do you bronze with?
There's a bronzer in there. The Physicians Formula Butter. Physicians Formula Butter bronzer. And then look at this. Look at this brush she wants me to use for my brow. This is bigger than my entire brow.
Do you use this brush?
Yeah. I just bronze the perimeter. Make me look a little less ghostly.
Blush.
You don't use blush.
Nope. Which color do you use?
Mix them like all. That's the BH Cosmetics blushes, but their packaging broke. And then, so this is a matte. Please don't tip it over like that. Okay. I had to fix one of them with like rubbing alcohol.
So just gonna dip in all of them.
Yeah, I dip a little in everyone, even the bronzy one. But yeah, those are the BH Cosmetics in the nude blushes because their packaging broke. I like dropped it or stepped on it or something and it broke. And I broke one of the blushes in it. So I put them in this MAC Magnetic palette.
Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I already put my primer on.
Next, I'm going in with this NYX mascara, and I'm pretty sure it's a tinted brow mascara, and it's in the shade, espresso? Does it say in the shade? It doesn't say.
Okay, what else do you use in the crease? Anything?
No.
Just the shimmers.
Oh, girl, that's darkening me up.
Yeah, watch out. I kind of mess up sometimes. What brush do you use for this?
Ah!
What brush do I use for my lid?
I just pack it in with my fingers. Oh, Anna. I ruined it. Not very often.
This is the
Girl, I'd like to see you try.
Rimmel London Scandalize Waterproof. Yeah, how shade? Nude. Shade nude.
Down to the wire. I'm using the Wet n Wild Ombre brush. I say this literally every time I try to say blush. Ombre blush, and this is more like a highlighter,
Use
and
the
it is
pink
in the shade in a purple haze. And the reason Anna has this is because I bought this, wanted to try it. It was way too dark for me. Did not work.
Use the pink side of it.
Do I use my finger?
Yeah.
Are we living under a rock? Ooh, Cora's kind of pretty. This would always be too dark for me.
I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise.
Voluminous Lash
Oh yeah.
I'm going in with the Maybelline New York Lash Discovery Mini Brush Mascara, and Anna is like obsessed with Maybelline, evidently. Also,
It's
this
cheap.
smells like poison.
This is very clumpy.
I think it's really good. Look at this. Do you use this on your whole eye?
Mm-hmm. It's super clumpy. Highlighter. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. What color do you use? In the shade Bubbly. Morphe M510 brush. Cooper, what you doing?
I feel like doing my mascara takes 3 hours with this.
The Baby Lips. I don't know what this one is. The blue one.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm going in with the Baby Lips. The orange one. Number 15, Cherry Me. It smells like cherries.
And then the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly. I think it's a lip gloss.
They're the plumping lip glosses.
Yeah, they sting. I hate these.
This mascara did nothing for me. I'm sorry. Like, this is one I could never use. Maybe on my bottom lashes just because it was kind of easy to use on the bottom. But
it stings.
And yeah, those are our finished looks.
You look so weird.
You look really dead, Anna. You look fine, but like you look really white. Like really bad. Yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you think about some of my products. Give me some thoughts about certain things you like, certain things you don't
am
like.
crusty right now.
You don't like baking.
No. This brow stuff is too much for me.
Because you have big brows naturally, so.
So I just like barely fill them in.
Yeah, you have a lot of hair.
It didn't take a while. I mean, you took long for like.
Yeah, but I tried to take a long
Yeah.
time because I was like, oh, you have a lot more steps than I do. But.
Yeah.
And I know you didn't like the mascara.
No.
You didn't like the lipstick.
It stings.
You didn't like the foundation because it's probably too dry. You like the dewy. I think you would like baking if you would use a moisturizer before you put on your foundation. Like if you moisturized more, I think you'd like baking maybe a
Baking
little
just
bit
makes my face feel disgusting.
I don't know. I didn't like your foundation. I can already feel when I can feel it on my face and it feels sticky. Like when I touch right here, it's sticky, and that might just because I didn't bake. But and it's also all over my hands. Like it's not It's like not transfer proof for me. So like a dewy foundation doesn't work very well for me. But I'm like jealous because the coverage of your color in the same the same brand has such a different coverage, and
Like
I know
you can see.
yeah, and like I know this is dewy smooth, so like that might be why it's different. But honestly, like I think it's more the color because I've bought things that are the exact same foundation as Anna, and just because they're a lighter color, the formula is totally different. I feel like they're always less coverage, and I don't like that. I didn't like the powder. This CoverGirl Clean Matte just because I prefer to bake and then not have to have a powder because those I feel like don't last very long. And I don't like the brow product. If I could have put my own, actually no. If I could have put my own powder over it, like to the tail, wouldn't have been that bad. And honestly, that highlighter looks poppin' with like your skin tone. Does not look poppin' with mine. What else? I did not like the mascara. I would never use that again. I don't even know if I'd use it on the bottom. Does it transfer like throughout the day? Is it like smudge and transfer?
I mean, it does right here, but that's just because my touches.
I think that's because you don't use a eye primer though normally because it doesn't do that if you use eye primer. But yeah, I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think of this little switch. I know I look orange. I know Anna looks white. It's just like kind of a strange little thing we did, but I thought this was really fun to see what Anna normally uses in her daily routine, and I bet she thinks this is kind of a lot of steps for my daily routine. But yeah, so comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.